Always remember, if you find a cabinet or a shape of something or furniture that you like, but it's not the color, you can always paint it. Right now, this is primed with Sticks Bonding Primer, and it's drying really well, and then I can come over with the actual color that I want it to be. Pro tip of the day. So I scored this green bathroom vanity at over 60% off and couldn't pass it up on this house flip. And every medicine cabinet I found came in the wrong color and just nothing looked right with it. So I thought I could just customize one. I bought a simple one off at Amazon, primed and painted it with 2 coats before I assembled it. And once it was installed on that wall, it looked like it was completely intentional. It was the same color, a clean finish, and no custom price. So always keep in mind, you can paint things if you like the shape, the size, the style, etc.